It's so bad.
No.
It's so bad.
And this is why I stick to what I know, because honestly, like, that's trash. That's trash. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today I have with me my favorite brother, Jefar.
Hello.
So today I'll be going to a ice cream farm that I usually go to, but today we'll be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be trying new ice cream flavors that we've never tried before. So if you know me, I'm a very picky eater, and I usually get the same thing over and over and over. Like if I go to the farm, I'm probably getting coconut, rum raisin, and grape nut ice cream. But today we'll be trying like four. I think we should try 4 random flavors that we both never had before. So he's gonna pick 2 random flavors that he's never had, and I'm gonna pick 2, and we're gonna try all of them.
Every time I go there, I get cheesecake or like
the butter pecan or strawberry. You usually get strawberry.
It's alright, but I don't really like the strawberry like that. They could do better, I feel like.
I like it because it has like natural strawberries in it. But so yeah, I am going to drive now to the farm, and I'll take you guys there with me. So stay for the ride. Basically, we just pulled up to Bloomfield Farm in Bloomfield, and now we are going to order when we get up there. But for right now, we're in the line because there's always a line here, unless you come at 12 p.m. on the dot, then there's no line. But other than that, there's always a line here because it's homemade ice cream, and it's really, really good. Like, it's really good, and I would know because I'm ice cream crazy. So yeah, what'd you say, Jefar?
Yes, I'm ready to try some ice cream today.
Yeah, I'm always ready for ice cream.
I feel like they should just give us a discount now. Times we've been here.
For real, bro. Like, they know. Like, when I pull up, that lady knows me. I'm not even kidding.
Like,
she be commenting on my hair. She's like, "Where you coming from? You look different." Like she knows me because I come here so often.
That she look pretty. Okay, it look like when she from Jamaica for some reason.
So yes, guys. I'm so excited to try ice cream like I never had it before, but you know.
I want to try coffee. You want to try coffee?
So guys, now we're at the part where we order. I only have $100 bills. I don't only take cash. So, snap.
Oh, which one are we trying?
I have no idea.
Alright, what can I get for y'all?
Hi. Can I get something that I've never had before? What do you think? Mint chocolate chip? What do you want?
I just want to try coffee.
The coffee, a small coffee.
The nightmare. What is nightmare?
What'd you say?
What the coffee is that gonna be in a cup or a cone?
A cup.
Alright. You want to try the nightmare or whatever that is?
Can I get a nightmare small as well?
Choose the other two.
I don't know. Raspberry. What do you think? Black cherry vanilla. I never had that. Wait, lemon pie. That's a thing.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll try that.
Alright. Is that gonna be another small cup?
That's not a small cup. And then another flavor. What do you think, Jafar? I don't know.
I'll try maple walnut. I'll try that.
Maple walnut.
Maple walnut?
Yeah.
So 4 small
Wait.
I'm sorry. Change that up for cotton candy. Cotton candy.
No. We're not doing cotton candy.
Oh, you don't like it? You tried it already?
No. Alright. Well, I'll do it too. Like, add it.
You want another one?
Yeah. Small.
Alright. So 5 small cups?
Yes.
That'll be $20 even.
Okay.
Thank you. Be right back to the change. Pull up right behind that gray car right there.
Alright. Thank you.
So basically, guys, I don't know if you could hear me, but like, we had to get flavors that we never tried before. I feel like you've had cotton candy ice cream before, maybe not from here, but you've had it before, and that's kind of cheating. Like, all the flavors that I ordered, we've never had before. And then you gonna say cotton candy. Everybody's had cotton candy ice cream.
You're right. I'd never had it from here, so that's probably why. But
I was like, yeah, I know we had cotton candy before.
So I could have just changed it then.
No, I added it to it. Oh.
Alright, ma'am. $80 is the change. There you go.
All right, thank you. Money.
I
So,
want to
guys,
try it already.
No, we gotta
It's
wait.
crazy because we don't even know which one is what, and I done forgot which one I ordered. Like, they don't mark it, they don't do it.
They do. They don't. I think they do. Unless they only mark the bigger container. So basically, we have 5 ice creams, and we're gonna try all 5 of them for the first time. This is Nightmare, and I'm gonna put a picture here because the lighting is not that good. This is cotton candy. You can't even see that.
Yeah, I just wanted it because I just want to make sure I get something good if they all tasted bad, you know? Something that...
He's a cheater.
No.
This is, what is this, maple walnut?
Mm-hmm.
Maple walnut. I'll leave a picture.
I want to see what that tastes like.
Me too. Well, actually, I don't like nuts. This is lemon pie. I've never had lemon pie. I didn't even know lemon pie.
I feel
ice
like I
cream was
already
a
know what
thing.
that tastes like, though, but let's see.
I mean, it tastes like lemon and pie, but I don't like pies. It's just going to be super weird.
That bite look nice.
And this one is coffee, something my friend would like, but
Let's
we don't drink coffee.
We don't at all.
So it's interesting.
I don't think I've ever drank coffee in my life before.
Yeah, but oh well. So we are gonna start trying them now. Okay, guys, I already smell the coffee. Don't you smell it? It's probably the only thing I smell.
Kinda.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it actually. I'm gonna try this side.
The coffee? I don't know if I want to start with the coffee. I probably should because it's probably the most disgusting one.
Let's see.
No. 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 Oh my
It's
god.
nasty! Let me see.
No, it is so bad.
Oh.
It's so bad.
No!
It's so bad.
And this is why I stick to what I know because honestly, like, that's trash. That's trash.
And leave it, the aftertaste is ridiculous.
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna need a whole new spoon.
You should have brought some water. Oh my.
Oh my goodness! I guess this is why we got the cotton candy. Even though I didn't want you to get it because you a cheater. Oh my
Nah, but we
goodness!
don't need something. You know what? Just because of that. But
I need another spoon.
Marla,
Oh my
my
goodness,
gosh,
that's
that tastes
nasty.
bad. That tastes so bad.
Okay, so coffee was number 1, and that's trash.
Literally, garbage.
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 5? With 5 being the best? That's a 0.5 for me. I say 1 to 5.
I'd give it a 1, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, if you like coffee,
Have at it, but for
it's
me,
all for you. It's legit all for you. But if you don't, nah.
Yeah.
I can still taste it in my mouth. It's cold and it's like kind of sweet, but the aftertaste, no, not even sweet. It's kind of bitter.
Yeah,
Yeah, no.
I do not recommend at
No.
all unless you're a coffee drinker.
No.
Then have at it.
Yeah.
So now we are going to try the maple walnut. Oh my goodness, let me see.
It can't taste that bad. I know my flavors aren't that bad.
Ooh, I like that.
Can't be that bad. Yeah. It's like rum and raisin and like a lot of other flavors mixed together, but it's still really good.
This is really good.
Yeah.
I don't like the nuts. Actually, the nuts aren't that bad when I tasted it.
What kind of nuts are these? We're just eating nuts and don't know what kind of nuts it is. I mean,
What?
talking about nuts.
Good thing we ain't allergic. It's maple walnut. That's really good. I would give that a 5. I'm not even kidding. I'll give it a 5 as something that I'll actually eat again.
I'm just ready from 1 to 10. I think 1 to 10 is just so much easier. I mean, 1 out of 5 is kind of short, but I don't know. I just say 1 out of 10 is better.
Okay, guys, so
I'll give this a 9, a 9.5.
okay. in that
Yeah,
case,
yeah, I feel like I'd know when it's a 10 because it'll just be that thing that's hitting in it. That makes it a 10, but. And then I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm at 8. At 8. It's a solid ice cream. It's not.
you can't
best.
just keep changing your mind, Jafar.
But it's like as I'm eating it, I'm processing it with every other ice cream that I've tasted. You know, it takes a while to process all the ice cream that you've ate through your lifetime to compare it to this. You know.
Okay, I'll give it a 9.
Yeah.
I recommend. I definitely do recommend maple
so-
walnut. Yep. And now we're gonna try the lemon pie. I never heard. Ugh.
It looks good though.
It does look good,
looks
but like I don't
very-
really like lemon,
It
and
looks
it's
very
like
appealing.
unless it's like lemonade. That's the only time I like lemon and
Yeah.
lemonades. Period.
Lemonade, I don't.
I love lemonade. I'll drink lemonade for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like with everything that I have. Like it's just like ice cream, but like I love ice cream more. So let me try it. It tastes like cheesecake.
It kind of has the same texture as it, but it's not really cheesecake. That's why I said it looked appealing because it kind of looked like cheesecake in a way, you know?
Yeah, it
It
has this
does.
tangy feel. I don't know how to describe it. I can't find the words to describe it.
I don't like it. It's all right. Like I eat it if it's like the last ice cream there,
It tastes like whipped cream on cheesecake.
or like whipped cream with lemonade and ice cream, whatever they use to make ice.
Maybe it tastes like a lemon cheesecake with whipped cream on top.
Just
I
a
think
little bit
so.
thicker because cheesecake is kind of
Thicker.
yeah.
It's not bad.
But I give it a 6.5.
For me, I'll give it a
6. I give it a 6. I change my answers to a 6.
yeah.
6.
I'll give it a 6 only because I don't really like lemon and other things like that. But it wasn't bad at all, so I'll give it a 6.
If it was a flavor that I like, this would be bombing, like fire, cause you know. But
Yeah, I'll give it a 6.
yeah, kind of. What did I get? The nightmare.
Nightmare. If you know me, you know I think chocolate
I don't
ice
know,
cream
well,
is poop.
Yeah, I don't really like chocolate ice cream.
Wait.
Too, but I didn't know it was nightmare. I was just
Look,
trying it.
you can't even see. It looks like poop.
Come on, don't ruin my appetite like that. Come on, you can't do
That's
that.
nasty.
Come on, chill out.
Let's taste it. Let's taste the poop.
All right. Oh, it's kind of.
And it's nightmare, so you know it's extra chocolate loaded. Oh my goodness.
I didn't even know nightmare was chocolate flavored. It's just trying it.
It's just a lot of chocolate. It's
Tastes
bitter.
like it has peanut butter in it, and
It tastes bitter.
it tastes kind of sweet. Yeah, you bite this. You bite the chocolate itself. You bite this
Oh,
itself.
no, I don't do that much chocolate. I only like white chocolate. Guys, I do not recommend. Well, it's not that bad. I'll give it a 5. He likes it.
It's not bad.
I don't like it.
I don't know. It's kind of a little bit too soft. I guess I can't use that as I can't really rate it based on its texture like that. But
I'll give it a 5. What would you give it?
a 7. It's a solid chocolate ice cream. There's nothing wrong.
Yeah,
with
it's
it.
for chocolate lovers. Like it has
I like
chunks of chocolate in there and stuff.
Why am I saying
It has
I like
chunks of chocolate in there and stuff.
I don't really like chocolate, but some chocolate I'll give into, you know?
Yeah,
And
like
this
I
is-
like white chocolate, like Hershey cookie
Yeah, I
and
like
cream.
I like Reese's Pieces, you know.
I think this guy outside, he's looking at us like he's looking at us weird. Like right over
I
there.
don't care about him. What he gonna do? He talking to his people, smoking.
He looking at like I
Drinking.
looked over there. He was like looking at me. I was like,
Don't worry about feeding business. This is either gonna be the best one or the second best to the maple walnut.
I think this is gonna be the best, but it's very sweet, I imagine. It's cotton candy. So let's try,
Let's try
it.
their cotton candy, because I've never tried it before.
You see
Looks
my
quite
try of a
soft,
cotton
too.
candy. It tastes just like a cotton candy, like just like it.
It does.
I want that one.
You can have it. I give it an 8. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Solid, solid cotton candy ice cream. There's nothing wrong with this one. I'll give it an 8. What is it?
I'll give it a 10 because for cotton candy, usually when I have cotton candy, it's like super sweet, but this one isn't that sweet.
Yeah,
like it's just right.
It really is. There's nothing. It's perfect. Perfect in a way for normal people, just like normal, you know.
Yeah.
And it's homemade, right?
It's homemade.
Oh, it's homemade actually on the farm.
So because of that, I'll give it a 10 because you know, like it's really good.
Listen, I people realize take care of their own sometimes.
Woo! So guys, this is the end of the video. So for me, I'll rank it like this: cotton candy, maple walnut, lemon pie, then
Wow. And somebody.
what's the other one?
What?
And then the maple, and then the coffee. Coffee's last.
Yeah.
Because that's
The
terrible.
aftertaste. Ooh. I don't even want to taste that no more.
It ain't for non-coffee
For me,
drinkers.
yeah, the maple, the cotton candy. What was the other one?
I'm still
Say the
having cotton
chocolate.
candy.
The lemon pie, and then the coffee, because the coffee was the worst. The cotton candy came second. No, third, right?
For me, it was first.
Yeah, so you enjoyed it. I'm going to finish this while I'm at it, you know, because why not?
Yep. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff.
You know?
And let me know what you want to see in like the other videos that I have coming up. Like if there's something that you want to see, feel free to comment down below and let me know.
Yeah, PS5 coming at 30,000 giveaways at 30,000 subscribers.
30,000 subscribers. From Jefar. So
Signed by Marla's company.
oh my goodness. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Peace.